Good morning, third class children. Now today, new chapter children, divisions. Do you know divisions children? Yes, you have learned divisions in the previous class children. Let us see. Division is splitting into equal parts or groups. Division means a thing splitting into equal parts or groups. Thing or numbers splitting into equal parts or groups. Or division is the process of sharing. Division is the process of sharing. And there is another definition for division children. Division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Like that, division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Now what is the symbol for division children? This is divided by. So look one example children. 27 is a number. So this is the division symbol, divided by. So here 27 is a number. Now subtract 3 from 27. 27 minus 3. How much? 24. Again subtract 3 from 24. 24 minus 3. 21. Again subtract 3 from 21. How much? 19. 19 or 18? 18. 19, 20, 21. Now 18 is the answer. Again subtract 3. 18 minus 3, 15. Again, 15 minus 3, 12. 12 minus 3, 8. 8 or 9? 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. So, this is the division children. Repeated subtraction is nothing but division. So, this is very difficult to do for the large numbers. That's why they introduced the concept division children. Now here, do division 27 divided by 3. Divide number 27 with 3 children. 27, 3. In 3 table, how many times we will get 27? 3 nines are 27. 27 minus 27, 0. So, which one is easy children here? This one. So, here we are subtracting 3 from 27 9 times. It is very difficult now. So, division is the very easy process children if you know tables. Now here 3 is called what? 27, 9 and 0. What are the terms for these? 3 is the divisor. 3 is the divisor or divisor. 27 is the dividend. 9 is called quotient. 0 is the remainder. Okay? Divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Now let us open your course book children, page number 58. Open your course book, page number 58. Open page number 58 in course book children, division. We know that division is the process of sharing. It involves dividing a thing or number into groups or parts. Division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Let us recall the division process. Vishal has a sweet box with 36 sweets. He wants to share the sweets among 9 of his friends. How many sweets will each person get if Vishal divides the sweets equally? So to share the sweets equally among 9 persons, arrange all 36 sweets in 9 columns. So each person will get 4 sweets. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sweets are there in each row. In this side also. So these all are 36 sweets. How many sweets? 36 sweets. He want to distribute among 9 friends equally. So divide 36 with 9. 9 fours are 36. 36 minus 36, 0. Here this is the divisor or divisor, dividend, quotient. Okay. Multiplication combines equal groups into 1. Multiplication combines equal groups into 1. Division separates one group into few equal groups. There is a difference between multiplication and division. Multiplication combines, division separates. Okay. This can be expressed as repeated subtraction also. Distribute one sweet each to all of Vishal's 9 friends first. So first give each sweet to each person. So 9 persons are there. Totally they got 9 sweets. 36 minus 9, 27 sweets are left. Again give 1 sweet to each person. Again 27 minus 9, 18 sweets are left. Again distribute one more sweet to each from the remaining sweets. 18 minus 9, 9. Again give 1 sweet to each person. 9 minus 9, 0. So totally how many times they given single sweet? 4 times. But this is a lengthy process, isn't it or not? It is easy to perform a division to get the result quickly. Solve the following divisions. Some divisions are here in the next page, page number 59, children. Look here, 54 divided by 9. In 9 table, 54 how many times, children? 9 6 are 54. 54 minus 54, 0. Next 48 divided by 6. 6 8s are 48. 48 minus 48, 0. 42 divided by 3. Do you know? There is 42 in 3 table. So first take one digit in left side, that is 4. 4 divided by 3. How many times? 1 time. There is no 4 in 3 table. So choose 3 ones are 3. The number that is less than 4. 4 minus 3, 1. There is another place, another digit is there. So write it down, that digit 2. So 1 to 12. 12 in 3 table. How many times? 3 4s are 12. Now 12 minus 12, 0. Next 60 divided by 5. Here also take a single digit. In left side 6 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Write it down, the ones place digit 0. 10. 10 divided by 5. How many times? 2 times. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 10, 0. Next one. 63 divided by 9. Yes, 9 7s are 63. 63 minus 63, 0. Now look here. Write the division form for the following and find the solution. There are 36 vadas. So there are 36 vadas. If each bowl can be filled with 6 vadas, how many bowls are required? So divide 36 with 6. 36 in 6 table. 6 6 are 36. 36 minus 36, 0. So how many bowls are required here? 6 bowls. Next one. There are 56 roses in a garden. 7 roses are to be tied as a bunch. How many such bunches can be made? So there are totally 56 roses and they want to make a bunch. Each bunch has 7 roses. 56 divided by 7. Then you have to find out the number of bunches. 56 in 7 table. Yes, 7 8s are 56. 56 minus 56, 0. Children, if you want to do divisions or multiplications, you will thorough with tables, children. So every day learn tables. Don't forget. Next, third one. Varun bought 4 tickets for a movie by spending 600 rupees. What is the cost of each ticket? So what is the cost of 4 tickets, children? 600. Now how many tickets he bought? 4 tickets. 600 divided by 4. Now take a single digit in left side, 6. 6 divided by 4. 1 time. 4 ones 4. 6 minus 4, 2. So 2 divided by 4 not possible. So write it down the tens place digit 0. 4 5s are 20. Now 20 minus 20, 0. But there is another place, that is ones place. So write it down the ones place digit 0. 0 in 4 table, 0 times. 4 zeros are 0. So 0 minus 0, 0. So what is the cost of each ticket? 150 rupees. So write the answers here, children. So here they want 6 bowls and here they make 8 bunches and here cost of each ticket is 150 rupees. And the fourth one. Due to high demand, the shopkeeper of a fruit shop had to sell 60 mangoes equally to 6 people. How many mangoes would each person have got? So there are 60 mangoes. He want to distribute to 6 persons equally. So 60 divided by 6. 6 tens are 60. 60 minus 60, 0. So each person get 10 mangoes. This division, children, you will do like this also. First take a single digit in left side. 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Another place, ones place is there, right? 0. 6 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Okay. Now last one. 72 handbags need to be shared equally among 9 women. How many handbags will each woman get? There are 72 handbags and they want to give to 9 women equally. So 9 8s are 72. 72 minus 72, 0. So each woman get 8 handbags. Each woman get 8 handbags. Okay, children. The remaining pages we will do and we will discuss in the next video, children. Now everyday learn tables, children. That is the homework for you. Read today 2 to 10 tables. Read and write 3 times, children. Read up to down and down to up also. Okay. Down to up to down means first learn 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 threes are. Next, after learn down to up. 2 tens are 20, 2 nines are 18, 2 8s are 16, like that. Okay, children? Okay, we will meet in the next video, children.